Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make guacamole. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 3 to 4 ripe avocados, which are key for that creamy texture. Don't forget fresh lime juice, finely chopped cilantro, a small amount of red onion, and a jalapeno for a little kick. We'll also use salt and pepper to perfectly season our delicious dip. Getting these ready first makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare those beautiful avocados. Carefully slice each avocado in half lengthwise, then gently twist to separate the halves. Remove the large pit, and with a spoon, scoop all that vibrant green flesh into a mixing bowl. Using a fork or a potato masher, begin to mash the avocado to your desired consistency. Some prefer it super smooth, while others like a few chunky bits for texture. With your mashed avocado ready, it's time to bring in the other flavors. Add your finely diced red onion, the fresh cilantro, and the minced jalapeno to the bowl. Next, squeeze in about 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice. This brightens the flavor and helps prevent browning. Stir everything together until well combined, then season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Adjust as needed. Your homemade guacamole is now ready to enjoy. Serve it right away with your favorite tortilla chips or as a fantastic topping for tacos, burritos, or grilled chicken. If you have any leftovers, press plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the guacamole to minimize air exposure, which helps prevent browning. Store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 days to keep it fresh and delicious for your next snack.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.